Kenya is moving forward and upwards to the heights that our forefathers envisaged when they fought for the establishment of our republic. The founders of our nation and those who fought to make us a free people triumphed over the oppressive chains of colonialism, not only because they worked hard for it, but because they remained united. Today, as in the past, the quest for national unity is undeniably the most profound aspiration animating our national conversation. Why? Because we are coming from a rough patch where we had been enthralled in a rather unfortunate conversation about distinction, difference, and division. At a time when the country desperately requires a rallying call to pull together to steer our nation to greatness during these challenging times. Kotaler Somai, Dedan Kimathi, Mekatilile Wamenza, and later Jomo Kenyatta, Ronan Gala, Oginga Odinga, Masinde Muliro, and many others worked hard to set free the whole of Kenya, not parts of Kenya where they were born or raised. They refused to see themselves as liberators of their places of birth,